Hello everyone, here I'm again with a new machine, and this time it's a Commodore Amiga 600. It's a nice machine, a cute machine, very small, very powerful. There's a lot of compatibility problems, not the machine itself but the games that don't run on it. And of course I've been tinkering with my RGB2VGA. That's why I got this machine. And I'm using an old board I had, one of my previous versions that underwent a major surgery. You can see all these resistors all floating around. And this is because right now I have 12-bit color precision on it. And why do I need 12-bit colors? Because Amiga can display 4096 colors. Do the math and you see. And that's the result so far. Of course, this is a power machine. It's not NTSC. And I won't have an NTSC machine ever because it's pretty useless. That's the result. You can see the chart, the code, the FPGA code, of course, is a different code. It runs only for this particular machine because we have all this changing code running in the particular board that output different pins, and also it runs in a much faster speed, double the speed to be able to process 1 bit more. I mean, it's getting out of focus here. Then you can see the pixels. I like to use the shell to can see how good are the pixels. They're pretty nice, and you can disable scan lines, but scan lines are so old school that no one can resist them. W N, you see, nice and perfect pixels. And of course, let's show a game. Get this turkey game. I'm one-handed here because I'm holding, so I need to turn it off. But of course, I still have the flickering colors because although I can display all the colors, measuring the colors, capturing the colors, and at the correct voltage, that's still a problem. Doing this only in FPGA, it's good so far, but it's not perfect. You can see that some colors, they will be like borderline between the voltage, and they will flicker. Like for example here, have some yellow flickering. The only thing we can do is to turn a little the knob and they disappear, but somewhere else another color can have the same problem again. This is a major problem to solve. Probably I would need a separate microchip to digitize the color. Like you can see this cyan now is like a little bit. With the extra pin, with extra color, this problem has been minimized because what happens is the difference in voltage, and since the pin with an extra pin, that difference is small because it has been diluted between all the other bits. And so adding more and more bits, that would be one way to tackle this problem, but unfortunately the board have been problem running at this speed because it needs to run at double speed to get more colors. I'm outputting 12 bits of color through the VGA. So yeah, And look at that monster. I have lots of resistors. Adding more pins would require more and more resistors. That's a bunch load of resistors. This is a problem, a real estate problem. It's a speed problem, and gonna be very hard to tackle it only with FPGA. I love this game. Let's play again with one-handed joystick, as usual. Impossible. There's another game here. Baby Joe. Baby Joe. You can see here that the blue has color flickering. It's smaller, you can see. As I told you, the thing about the extra bit helps in this thing, and of course turning here the knob will solve this problem once for all, but sooner or later I have to change it again. So that's it. Working on this, and probably requires a new board. And see that. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.